Following the success of the hottest selling project in Pangasinan, Camella Urdaneta, comes a new paramount community that will surely complement your grand lifestyle. Camella Crisciente is a 2.4-hectare high-end residential enclave nestled perfectly at the heart of Pangasinan. Camella Crisciente is strategically located only a kilometer away from the Tarlac-Pangasinan-La Union Expressway or TPLX. It is also located along MacArthur Highway, a major road that leads to the central business district of Dagupan City, the minor basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag, and the famous 100 Islands of Alaminos City. Camella Crisciente goes above and beyond convenience. Here, you will have exclusive access to the high-end comfort features and facilities, from the electric fence to the built-in RFID gate and security cameras. Beyond aesthetics, Camella Crisciente also offers a combination of healthy, smart, and green features. Here, your family's health is our top priority, which is why every home is now EcoBin ready for more sanitary and ecological waste management. Also, thanks to the advancement of Camella Homes, you can now enjoy utmost comfort where everything you want and need to do is just a tap away with our new smart home offering. Camella Crisciente also offers a recreation center that features a green patio where you can enjoy the sun during the day, an outdoor mini gym for your daily workout activities, and a playtime area for the kids. To top all that, the community is also home to luxurious amenities and a serene background crafted by nature. Of course, there's no better way to experience what this community can offer than to personally walk along its roads, even just virtually. Join me and let's take a closer look at the aesthetic, planning, and design of this community. Everybody, welcome to Camella Crisciente. Wow, that's totally amazing! With those new features, Camella Crisciente is truly exceptional. Aren't we all excited for this new project? Welcome to the healthiest, smartest, and safest neighborhood in Urdaneta, Pangasinan, Camella Crisciente. I'm sure you're all wondering what houses are available here. Since Crisciente is a premium development, This neighborhood also offers premium space model houses starting from Cara. Cara is Camella's family starter house offering with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, and a single car carport and a balcony. Start smart and surround your family with your favorite leisure activities and bring them to your beautiful first home here in Camella. Danny is a perfect home for our moderately sized families. This house wastes no space and fits 4 bedrooms to give every single one of your children their own favorite sanctuary. Danny also has 3 toilet and baths and a single car carport and a balcony within its generous area to complete its indulging package. Freya stands out for its flexible hobby room that you could transform into an office area, a passion corner, or a gallery for your favorite collectibles. This is on top of its 5 spacious bedrooms, 3 large toilet and baths, and a single car carport and a balcony. With all these inclusions, Freya has more than enough space for expanding your family. Greta is Camella's most spacious house offering yet, with 5 spacious bedrooms, 3 neat toilet and baths, and a wide 2-car carport, and a refreshing balcony. Its master bedroom is equipped with its own bathtub and a provision for a walk-in closet to give you a luxurious and better living experience. Every moment is great in Greta, where you can find your favorite features for a smart and healthy home. After you've heard all these features and what this community can offer, Camella Crisciente is truly the healthiest neighborhood in Pangasinan. See you soon in Camella Crisciente.